Hello and welcome back, Honey Buns. It's a new day and a new week in B-Town, but so much yet so little has changed. Those Monday blues will have to wait because the Kangana versus Taapsee battle only seems to have gotten messier. Sushant Singh Rajput sisters' emotional post has hearts breaking all over again. And while investigations continue, Mahesh Bhatt and other biggies are expected to line up and record their statement. Sit back and relax and let Bollywood give you the lowdown of all the biggest headlines. The Kangana Ranaut versus Taapsee Pannu war of words is only getting messier, with each actress fishing out each other's old interviews that clearly contradict everything they are saying currently. While Team Kangana was on a firing spree shooting down tweet after tweet against her, Taapsee had a hearty laugh over some throwback videos and interviews of Kangana before deciding, and this one also, bus last. We'd like to say this chapter is closed, but in B-Town, you can never say never. As the investigation into Sushant Singh Rajput's case continues, the Mumbai police on Monday summoned Mahesh Bhatt to record his statement. Dressed in COVID protective gear, the director was clicked as he headed to the police station, where he was questioned for a few hours. The Maharashtra Home Minister also announced on Sunday that Apurva Mehta, the CEO of Karan Johar's Dharma Productions, and Kangana Ranaut, who has been making all the bold allegations, has also been summoned by cops. The Home Minister went on to state that Karan Johar will be summoned if needed, a statement that didn't go down too well with Team Kangana, who went on to accuse the police of shameless nepotism. At a time when actors are rising up against actors and directors against directors, with cracks running deep into the film industry as the mudsliding and name-calling is at its worst, Sushant Singh Rajput's sister Shweta stepped in to celebrate the life of a beautiful soul. Shweta and the family, who've been maintaining their distance from whatever this alleged battle for justice has transformed into, revealed that she continues to experience bouts of pain in an emotional post she shared about her brother. Recalling and sharing an incident from their childhood, she started off her note saying, "It is said that the more you share your grief, the less it hurts." Going on to narrate her sweet memory of her dear Pitya, she shared some throwback photos, their last conversations, and ended the note saying, "I still wish I will wake up to see my bhai just right next to me and will realize this whole episode was just a nightmare and nothing more." Don't know about you, but that post left our peas like a whimpering mess. Meanwhile, our Desi girl turned Videsi star Priyanka Chopra swooped in and lent her star power to bring some attention to the plight of the people and animals of Assam in urgent need of help. Taking to her handle, the actress and her hubby Nick Jonas encouraged fans and friends to donate to the cause and in turn assist not just the people but also extend aid to animals in the flood-affected Kaziranga National Park. Way to go, Priyanka and Nick. This bee sends you a big fat kiss. And finally, because this is a Bollywood update, let's talk films. The latest flick now getting to roll out is, drumroll please, Atrangi Re. Our bees are happy to confirm that the film starring Dhanush, Sara Ali Khan and Akshay Kumar will resume work in October 2020. What's more, this will also be among the first films to be shot in actual locations and not just confined to indoor studios. Now, isn't that something to look forward to? That's all we've got for today, but there's an entire week ahead, so don't forget to come back for more.